Well, what's amazing is the forces at play there, because we had a couple of things that we're dealing with. Number one, the force of the water that's generating that eddy effect, and that just keeps you circulating round and round. I think we have that video once again, the close-up. There you can see that the clockwise rotating eddy, and then she was underneath the weight of the debris and managed to get above the weight of all that debris, and then managed to crawl to the edge.
Well, and the debris, too, is grinding around, and you got to think that the risk of being ripped apart just by the forces of the torquing pieces of wood and shards of wood.
It's a miracle that she made it through that. That is absolutely a miracle. So, folks, good for her. Thank goodness she did. Take a look at this Doppler radar imagery. What we're seeing is a very moist southwesterly flow. So another surge of moisture is working its way into the Treasure Valley. This is eventually going to be shutting itself off after about, I'd say, 10 o'clock tonight. That's when we start getting into some drier air, but as you could tell, there's definitely a lot of shower activity, and as I zoom in on the Treasure Valley itself, there you can see the rain is starting to fill in. Now, when we get the lighter green shades, this is generally light rain, but when we see the darker green shades wanting to transition over to yellow, this is pockets of moderate to occasionally heavier rain that's moving in. This is going to keep the temperature readings very cool, and it's going to keep us on the soggy side through the night tonight. But we started out a beautiful day around the south central part of the state, up in Stanley. Look at the blue skies and sunshine. Then watch that all of a sudden the storm started transitioning and moving into the central part of the state. So nice, and there we go. There's the increasing clouds, and there's the storm generating some snow right now in Stanley. Bogus Basin has had 4 inches of snow since 4 o'clock this afternoon. A good dumping of snow is taking place in the mountains, and right now the lens has big water droplets on it. Soggy here in downtown. 50 degrees currently. Winds are at about 13 miles per hour, so it feels kind of chilly out there. It's a little bit raw. It's a little bit on the damp side, and you can just expect that through the evening hours. Now, here's the satellite imagery. Look at how active the pattern is. This is the storm that's affecting us now. There's the next storm, and all of this is being driven from the west toward the east on this very strong and persistent jet stream that wants to continue ushering in all of these storms. So here's today's storm. Now, you'll notice out here, there's a little area of high pressure. This is the drier weather that's going to be affecting us this weekend, primarily tomorrow and through the first half of the day on Sunday. Then the models are indicating that that next storm you see out there on the horizon, just now moving into the Aleutians, that's the next storm that moves in possibly as early as Sunday night and Monday. And then beyond that, there's yet another storm that's expected to form sometime around the middle of next week. So on the futurecast, let's go to about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. There you can see the core of the rain just starting to move into the Magic Valley. We may still see a few spotty showers, but notice the drier air is trying to work its way in sometime after midnight tonight. This is right around 7 to 8 o'clock in the morning. A few mountain showers are possible, but we should start drying out. Mixture of sunshine and clouds in the morning, and then partly cloudy skies expected in the afternoon with a possibility of little hit and miss showers here and there across the mountains. But then watch, I'm going to take you right now to Sunday. Sunday, for the most part, in the morning looks nice, but look at what comes in by Sunday afternoon. That's the next storm. So we'll see increasing clouds by Sunday afternoon with the potential of some showers moving into the area by Sunday night, and that will be the Sunday night Monday storm. All right, so here's the forecast region by region. Across the Magic Valley tomorrow, high temperature readings right around the low 50s. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Mild temperature readings. In Sun Valley, a mix of sun and clouds, but there may be some isolated snow showers, just kind of fast moving. In the Long Valley, also a mix of sun and clouds. Isolated showers are possible, especially through the first half of the day. So if you're planning on going skiing, you know, just take your goggles. Be ready just in case you're running into some occasional snow showers. Payette at 57 degrees, the lower Treasure Valley, sun and clouds, mild temperatures. And across the upper Treasure Valley, that mix of sun and clouds with the mild temperature readings. Kuna at 56, Namp at 56 degrees. And Boise will see a high of 56 degrees. Mountain Home also in the mid-50s. And you folks up there in Idaho City, can't wait for your snow to melt so I can take my dirt bike up there and start riding. I think it's going to be a gorgeous spring up there. Temperatures there right now will be right around 50 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. And we will see drier conditions tomorrow. Sunny skies Sunday morning, increasing clouds Sunday afternoon. Chance of showers late Sunday, some scattered showers on Monday, drier again on Tuesday and Wednesday with another storm rolling in here on Thursday. The mountains will be seeing hit and miss pockets of showers tomorrow, increasing clouds Sunday. The next storm rolls in on Monday with more showers expected on Wednesday and Thursday. This is a super active weather pattern, isn't it? And then here's your ski report, folks. Bogus Basin, again, I was shocked. 4 inches of snow just this afternoon. Bases are solid. Brundage has had 1 inch of new snow. Tamarack got 3 inches of brand new snow so far today. And there you can see a 58-inch basin, 91 inches at the summit. Sun Valley has nearly 100 inches at the summit. All the ski resorts are doing great. That's our water that we're going to be dealing with as we get deeper into the spring months ahead. Grand Targhee, no new snow, but a 109-inch base. So with the rain that we're seeing right now, the rivers are going to start reacting. There's always a cause and effect and a little, it's raining and then a slight delay. So what we're going to be seeing is the rivers taking a little bit of a spike through the day tomorrow, but then they should come back down again on Sunday. But some of those rivers, especially the Snake at Weiser and also the Boise River, remain at flood stage and will probably stay that way for the foreseeable future.
All right, thank you, Roland.